Dear students, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression like this: 3 times 2 divided by 2 times 3. This expression seems very simple, but it tricks almost everyone. 90% of people choose the wrong options. They do the multiplication between 3 and 2 and multiplication of 2 and 3. Three times 2 is equal to 6 and 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 6 divided by 6. They do the division between 6 and 6. Divide करने पर we get answer 1. 1 is the wrong answer. Now we find the correct answer. It means that we need to perform all the operations step by step in order from top to bottom. Use the rule of division and multiplication hold the same priority level. So we must start from the left and move towards the right. Perform these operations in order. We do the multiplication between 3 and 2. 3 and 2 का गुणा करने पर we get answer is equal to 6 divided by 2 times 3. Now we do the division between 6 and 2. 6 को 2 से डिवाइड करने पर we get answer 3 is equal to 3 times 3. Now we do the multiplication between 3 and 3. Multiplication करने पर we get answer 9. 9 is the correct answer. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और कमेंट कीजिए. सबस्क्राईब टू माय चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. हिट द बेल आयकॉन.